This is the Kamrui mini PC, 12 gigs of RAM.
This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so that I could show it to you, but all opinions are my own.
This has got Windows 11 Pro on it, an expandable SSD on here, up to 2 terabytes. That is nice. Let's try this thing out, see what we get with this. Very nice packaging. All right, we got a power cable. We got an HDMI cord, screws. We get some instructions. And we get a mount, because you can mount this on the back of your monitor or your TV. Let's go around this real quick. So we got a VGA out right here. You can see that it's completely vented. On the back here, we have the mic input, we have a LAN input, we have 2 HDMI ports on here. We have a USB 4. We have the DC input. We have a USB 3, a USB 2, and a USB 1 power button. You can see what it has on the inside here. It's the model GK3 Pro, 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigabytes of ROM. It has the Celeron Jasper Lake N5105 quad-core CPU, up to 2.9 gigahertz, and Bluetooth on here. We get inside here, we just pop this screw right here, slide that up, and there is our expansion tank. Look at that. You can put in something like this Seagate Barracuda right here. This is a 2 terabyte internal hard drive, 2.5 inch is what fits in here. This machine will do up to 2 terabytes. So if you get a 2 terabyte, it's gonna do the math and you're gonna end up with probably like 1.8 terabytes on here rather than 2, something like that. I would suggest tucking the cable down in here first, kind of get it lined up and just push it on. Then we'll put the cover back on. That snaps back into place. Put the screw back in, and there it is. All right, so I've got this thing set up, a couple of USBs in, wireless keyboard, and a wireless mouse. And once you plug it in, you're just gonna end up going through the setup. You can see the thing lights up blue on here. We'll connect it wirelessly. But you can see I'm connected via Bluetooth to my Wi-Fi. There's a disc in there, and like I was saying before, it sees the Seagate Barracuda in there, but it's only got 1.81 terabytes on it. I'm assuming that has something to do with the overall capacity that this thing can hold, which is up to 2 terabytes. Probably gonna make me do a Windows setup and all that. Pretty quick. But just hovering over these, you can see it runs the preview pretty fast. I don't have any speakers plugged in, sorry. Anyway, if you're looking for a mini PC, something to save some desktop space for you, something you can mount behind your monitor if you wanted to, you can even travel with this thing. It has an extra storage bay in there so you can add some extra hard drive space. There it is, the Kamrui mini PC.